Welcome to Number Sense and Measurement. Session 1 is about a simple idea with enormous power. A digit's value depends on its position. In the number 6,304,018, the digit 3 does not mean 3. It means 300,000. We will learn to read that structure, write expanded form, compare large numbers, use powers of 10, estimate before calculating, and verify a multi-step answer. Our place value system is built in groups of 10. Moving one place to the left makes a digit 10 times as valuable. Moving one place to the right makes it 1/10 as valuable. Look at 6,304,018. The 3 sits in the hundred thousands place, so its value is 3 times 100,000, or 300,000. The 0 in the 10,000s place is important too. It holds that place, so every other digit keeps its correct value. Commas divide a whole number into 3-digit periods: millions, thousands, and ones. Read each period, then say its name. For 608,305, the non-zero place values are 600,000, 8,000, 300, and 5. Expanded form is their sum: 600,000 plus 8,000 plus 300 plus 5. The zeros are not written as addends, but their places remain present inside the standard numeral. To compare whole numbers, first compare the number of digits. If the digit counts match, scan from left to right until the first difference. Compare 4,090,805 with 4,009,850. The millions and hundred thousands digits match. At the 10,000s place, the first number has 9 and the second has 0. That first difference decides the comparison. 4,090,805 is greater. Multiplying by 10 shifts every digit one place toward greater value. Start with 38,406. After multiplying by 10, the 3 moves from 10,000s to 100,000s, the 8 moves from thousands to 10,000s, and every other digit moves as well. The product is 384,060. A 0 appears in the ones place because no original digit moved into that position. The digits move. The decimal point is only a convenient description. Estimation is a control tool, not a guess. Suppose a project needs 392 panels for each of 21 sections. Round 392 to 400 and 21 to 20. 400 times 20 is 8,000, so the exact answer should be close to 8,000. Now calculate. 392 times 21 equals 392 times 20 plus 392, which is 8,232. The estimate confirms the magnitude. Now combine place value with a multi-step production problem. A plant's target is 250,000 units. It produces 78,460, then 96,735, then 41,806. First add the 3 production amounts. Their sum is 217,001. Next, subtract that sum from the target. 250,000 minus 217,001 equals 32,999. Check by adding the needed amount back to production. The total returns exactly to 250,000. Here is the complete method. Identify each digit's place. Translate the number into periods or expanded form. When comparing, use the first different digit from the left. Before a calculation, estimate the expected magnitude. After a calculation, reverse the operation or rebuild the total. Final challenge. Write 904,070,012. Use 3-digit periods and placeholder zeros. The numeral is 904,070,012, written as 904, 070, 012.